30 divided by tan 30. Cosine of 30 degrees divided by tan 30 degrees. Can I have your attention, please? The lesson has started, so you need to pay attention. Right. First thing you need to know what cos 30 is. By now, I hope that you have been going over your special angles, and you should know that cos 30 is equal to square root of 3 over 2. Alright? Then, always it's better when you are dealing with questions like this, which might involve some sets, convert the division line to the division sign. Okay? Because remember, this type of a question, you are not supposed to use a calculator. So you have to show all your working out. So what is tan 30? It's 1 over square root of 3. Right? Once you do that, it makes things easier. Then we convert the division sign to multiplication. And then we invert the second fraction. By now, you should know that square root of 3 times square root of 3 will give us a 3. 2 times 1, that will give us a 2. Okay? No calculator use. Yes? Yeah. It will be incorrect, yes? Make only on the right side, only make it 2 times the square root of 3 to make that I don't know. Let's not complicate things. What is cos 30? Square root of 3 over 2. Divided by tan 30. I converted the division line to a division sign. Can you look and listen? What is tan 30? 1 over square root of 3. We are dividing square root of 3 over 2 by 1 over square root of 3. So how do we do it without a calculator? Convert the division sign to what? Multiplication. Then you invert the numerator and the denominator. There's no need to complicate this. Remember, I told you that you can even verify the answer by using a what? A calculator. So let's take out our calculator. I'm just doing this just to show you that you can't get a wrong answer without knowing that your answer is wrong. Okay? So if you take out the calculator, we are not supposed to use a calculator, but I'm just going to use a calculator to prove that my answer is what? Is correct. Are you following? Right? So, you take out your calculator. Let's put cos 30 over tan 30 and see what answer we'll get. So, first fraction option, then cos 30 divided by tan 30. Okay? I'm only using the calculator to verify if my answer here is what? Is correct. Do you understand?
In an exam, are we going to write this work separately? So we don't have to use a calculator.
In the examination, you are supposed to do this without a calculator. I will know. So that, yes. You see that? Okay. Why am I doing this? I just hope that all of you are sober and you can hear what I'm saying. I am using the calculator. You see, I'm using the calculator to verify if the answer that I got here is what? Is correct. So next week, when you write the assignment, you can't do a question like this and get a wrong answer here. Because the answer can be verified using a calculator. But the instruction in the question will say, without using a calculator, so you need to do your working out like how I did here. Then, if you are not 100% sure about your answer, then verify it with the what? With the calculator. Is that clear? Alright, then let's get on. Right, so for today, the class exercise, you need to do number 8 and number 10, the class exercise. I'll give you about 5 minutes to do number 8 and number 10. Can you please write class exercise in your maths workbook? You do number 8 and 10. Ryan, can you please, sorry, Ariel, can you start working on number 8 and number 10, please? Where is Dante? Okay, sorry. So JT is not here. Sorry, girls, you're supposed to be busy with those 2 questions. Can you stop talking and please? You should be busy doing those 2 questions. And you can't sit like you're finished already. Okay, by now we should have finished. How many of you have finished number 8? The game should not take long to do number 10. Remember, I said this part you have to know because it's there in your assignment. You cannot afford to spend this lesson without knowing how to do that. Because next week you are going to see each other. There's someone in your situation I can understand. Okay, let's go over number 8. Sorry, boys. Can you minimize talking there? You need to carry on now. Can you do number 4 there? Sine 60 degrees is equal to 3 divided by 2 root of 3. Yes. Which two? Simplify the left hand side until you get the right hand side. What is sine 60? Yeah, and then apply what I just showed you there. Okay. Here I've got sine 60 degrees. This is equal to square root of 3 over 2. So you need to simplify this until you get 3 divided by 2 root of 3. So, how do you carry on? I'm sure you can see that the numerator, there is a 3 here. If I give you square root of 3, and I say convert square root of 3 to 3, what are you supposed to multiply the square root of 3 with to get 3? Square root of 3. So you multiply the square root of 3 here by square root of 3. That's the numerator, right? Whatever you do to the numerator, you also do to the what? Denominator. Are you following what I'm saying? Yes?
So whatever you times on the top, you will times on the bottom.
Yes.
Okay.
Whatever you do to the numerator, you do to the denominator.
So essentially, you're just going to make the top the same, so the bottom will times out.
Yes. If you are given square root of 3, how can you convert the square root of 3 to a 3? Which is multiplied by square root of 3. So if you multiply the numerator by square root of 3, also if you multiply the denominator by square root of 3. This question here, you are not even supposed to take a minute to do it. A few seconds, you'll be done. Are you following? Okay, we should be done by now. So sine 60 degrees is equal to 3 over 2 root of 3.